Number plate, Jimmy 30, Big Little Giant. Oh, God, can't anybody do anything right? Oh, plus the council needs to amend the bloody paint. Oh! See, you were lucky there. Lucky the Honda Civic left in a room. Maniac. He's gone for a red light! Maniac!
Exit, A4170.
Criminal!
Felton Road.
Lock him up and throw away the key, that's what I say. See,
Cross
all
the
of that
roundabout and
just
take
to
the
get
second
stopped
exit,
at another red light.
A4174. Felton
Maniac! Maniac speeder, criminal. Putting my life in danger. Oh, see, he's got an M3 and he's not going around racing. Maniac. Registration. Hello, Jimmy. 1, 2. Why are you a zebra? Oh. God, I've had enough to here already. Oh, and I'm only 2 miles down the road. Oh. You've been caught on Dashcam. Oh, justice has never felt so sweet.
Somebody call the police because
Oh, I'm gonna report that to the police.
Oh, you got problems. She came round, French plaits, bonjour, hair done, makeup, contour.
Leading from the front, more like leading from the back, you maniac! Maniac! Undertaking speeder. Look at that. Criminal. And through a red light. Maniac. 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 Oh, I'm going to. Oh, look at that illegal number plate as well. We are security.co.uk. Oh. Speeding criminals. I don't feel secure when you're around. Ah. Oakford Technology. OakfordUK.com is their URL.
After half a mile, turn left, A4044, Temple Way.
Maniac! Maniac!
Turn left.
Maniacs. I'm telling the police of your outrageous driving.